Let's wrap this up. This for the homie who asks you why you tripping. This for the homie who reminds you that you different. This for the first homie who tell you that he love you. Cause that's the first man that can turn around and show you. This for the homie who just wanna see you win, even if it don't happen for him. This the homie you give it to. He wants to get back, but he prioritize your issues. For the values we share, from sharing value meals, sharing your last, to show who really feel. Big tongues, big emotions, tell me how you feel. Big tongues, big emotions, tell me how you feel. Being down, staying down, it always that simple. Bitches are simple. Being down, staying down, it always that simple. Bitches are simple. For the homies who is real as any, always keep it 100, even without 100 pennies. To the homie holding keys to all his secrets, but once you can't see it while he's silent, he don't keep it. To the homie girl who share with you her estrogen, show you where the true stars of respect you. Your presence is worth, never take advantage. This homie you both be smelling through the marriage. Being down, staying down, ain't always that simple. My bitches are simple. Being down, staying down, ain't always that simple. My bitches are simple. Being down, staying down, ain't always that simple. My bitches are simple. Being down, staying down, ain't always that simple.